Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Merchant Center for faster product indexing, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Google Merchant Center website. If you don't already have a Google account, create one. Once you have an account, click on the Get Started button. Fill in your business information, including your business name and country. Review and accept the terms of service to proceed. Next, verify your website URL. You can do this by adding an HTML tag or uploading an HTML file to your website. Alternatively, you can verify your site through Google Analytics if you're already using it. Once verification is complete, proceed to set up your shipping and tax information. Navigate to the shipping section and add your shipping rates. Then, head over to the taxes section and input your tax settings. With the foundational setup complete, it's time to add your products. Go to the Products section and click on Add Products. You can choose between manual upload, a spreadsheet, or using an e-commerce platform. If you opt for manual upload, fill in the product details like title, description, price, and availability. Ensure that all required attributes are included according to Google's guidelines. After adding products, submit your feed for processing. Check for any errors or warnings, and address them promptly to ensure successful indexing. Once your feed is processed without issues, your products will be indexed. To monitor your listings, regularly check the Diagnostics section. This area will inform you of any problems impacting your product visibility. Finally, keep your product information updated to ensure ongoing indexing success. Consistent monitoring and updates will help maintain optimal performance in Google Merchant Center. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.